guys, my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another one of my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxings, and if you've been around for a while, you know that I'm just now getting caught up on, or just starting the 2019 Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes because I was behind on 2018 boxes, and it's just the spiral effect. So if you've been around for a while, you know what's happening, and you know that this is only my second 2019 Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Again, because I'm behind. If you're unfamiliar with Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, I have plenty of those playlists on my channel, but Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription service that is curated around an entire makeup look. Each month they have a different makeup theme, and then they include products in your box to create that month's theme. I'm really excited to share with you guys what this box theme is and show you guys the products and what was included in the shades that I got and everything else. And also, if you've been around for a while, you know that the following video will be a makeup tutorial based on the theme of that Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. So, for example, this month's box is Moondust Galaxy. The next video that you'll see is a Moondust Galaxy makeup tutorial using the products that were in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. If you're confused, I have tons of playlists on my channel of Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes and all the unboxings and tutorials and how it works and everything. So if you're confused, definitely go there. It is a great one-stop shop for these boxes. If you're interested in subscribing to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, I will leave a link down in the description below. Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box does not have any kind of referral system. It's just a general link where you can sign up. I don't remember if I mentioned this or not, but Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is $21 a month, and they have free worldwide shipping. So you can literally live, I think, anywhere in the world because it says free worldwide shipping and receive this box. I apologize if you can hear my neighbor mowing his lawn. I deeply apologize. So here is what the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box looks like, and let's see what we got inside. When I open the box, this is what I see, and it just has all the products and then the card on top. My voice is probably muffled because I'm behind the box. But like I mentioned, this month's theme is Moondust Galaxy. On the card, it just includes all the products that's included in my box, as well as the retail value of the product and sometimes a brief description of the product. It just depends on what product it is. How many times did I say product? For real, let's go ahead and get into it. The first product in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is wrapped in bubble wrap here, so let's go ahead and see what we got. It looks like we have a product by the brand Steve Laurent, and I've actually received one of these products in a previous Ipsy bag. I also forgot to mention that all of Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes, all the products in the box are full size. Every single one. This is actually the exact same shade of eyeshadow, same brand that I received in a previous Ipsy bag. So I already have this color, and to be honest, I don't use it at all. You guys know part of these videos is I will be creating that corresponding Moondust Galaxy makeup tutorial. So representing kind of like what I think, based on the products that I received, what a Moondust Galaxy tutorial would look like. Now this is the first product from Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box that I have received broken. The only reason that I know that is because I received this product in a previous Ipsy bag, and it's supposed to be a pressed shadow, and it's like completely shattered, and it's supposed to be a pressed shadow. It's still usable, and I'll be able to create the look with it and everything, but it's just going to be a little bit more challenging to work with, but that's okay. Let me see if I can swatch this. For you guys, I feel like this might be a little bit difficult to swatch, but we'll try. This is in the shade Blueberry. I think I'm just a little all over the place because I was not expecting this to be broken. Oh, that's more pigmented than I remember. This is going to be easier to work with than I thought. This is definitely more pigmented than I thought it would be. I now have blue eyeshadow all over my bedroom floor and all over my hands. I look like a Smurf. Oh my. Okay, well what I might do is I probably will use the one that I received from Ipsy because I still have it, and then I'll probably throw this one away. It's literally the exact same shade. They're both in the shade Blueberry. I didn't even show you guys the swatch, but here's what it looks like. It's way more pigmented than I ever remember it being, so it's going to be much more easy to work with than I thought it would be, and I don't think I swatched it in the Ipsy video that I did because I would have remembered that. So that's exciting. That's exciting. I do have an idea of what the makeup look is gonna look like with the eyeshadow, so I'm really excited. Like I said, that is the first product from Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box that I received that is broken. I have had it for a while and I've stored it in a few different places, so maybe I just moved it around too much, but that really shouldn't have mattered since it was in bubble wrap. But I don't know, I'm talking way too long, so let's get on to these products. I think I'm just excited because usually blue eyeshadows are not pigmented, and this one is. It's great. It'll make this tutorial so much easier. It's been a while since I filmed, as you can probably tell, because I also forgot to share with you the price point of this product. So the Steve Laurent eyeshadow in the shade Blueberry, it retails for $16. I don't usually go in any specific order when I see products I'm excited about in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, but this product is an exception because I saw this product and I honestly could not believe my eyes because I received a product from The Balm. Now, The Balm is considered a more high-end brand, like a luxury brand, and I have received products from The Balm in an Ipsy bag, but it's always just mini sizes. And as you guys know, Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is full-size products, and I received a full-size The Balm Cosmetics lip product. This is probably the nicest brand that I have ever seen in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. It's the most well-known high-end brand that I've ever received, and I've been subscribed to this box for quite some time, and this is so exciting. So I cannot wait to swatch this. Like, I'm curious as to what shade I got. Like, the whole thing is exciting. So this is the Balm Meet Matte Hues Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and I received the shade Charming. I cannot believe I received The Balm product in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Whoa, this is perfect for this time of year too. Oh, this looks so perfect for this time of year. Yep, this is amazing. So here is what the shade looks like. I am so excited. I think this is going to be one of my favorite shades for this time of year. I'm so glad I get to use this stuff now, and what I really like about this shade is it's kind of like a berry color, but it also has a little bit of a brown tint to it, which is exactly what I love for this time of year. And it's so smooth, and just so impressed with this color, and cannot believe I received The Balm product in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. They are stepping it up. If you are subscribed to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box and you received the Moondust Galaxy box, let me know if you received this product also and what you thought of it, because this is exciting, and like I said, they're really stepping it up. This liquid lipstick retails for $17. The next product in my Moondust Galaxy Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by the brand LA Splash Cosmetics, and this is the Architect Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. You guys know that eyeliner is one of my least favorite beauty products, so for that reason, I am going to be saving this and passing it along to a friend. And you also know that I exempt myself from false lashes and eyeliner in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box corresponding tutorials, because what I love about doing the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box tutorials is using brands and types of products I'm unfamiliar with, but false lashes and eyeliner is just something that I just like so much that I make my own rules and exempt myself from using those two kinds of products in the corresponding tutorials. But for your reference, I received the shade Chromat. This eyeliner retails for $14. The next product I received in this box is rather large, so let's go ahead and open it and see what it is. This is by the brand Beauty Creations, and this is the Angel Glow palette. My guess is it's a highlighter palette, or highlight palette. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. So here is what the palette looks like. Like I said, it is gorgeous. We have some, well, they're all shimmer shades, but just a great variety of colors, and it's a lot that I could do with this palette. And so I'm really excited to give it a try. It doesn't specifically say it's a highlight palette though. I'm wondering if this includes like some shimmer bronzer. I'm gonna swatch these and see what the colors look like. I had to roll up my sleeves for this one. I'm not sure why they're not showing up because they're super pigmented. I think it's just because I'm wearing long sleeves and it was kind of hard to do the swatches, but that's okay. It's a gorgeous palette and I cannot wait to use it. This is absolutely gorgeous. The Beauty Creations Angel Glow Highlight Palette retails for $9.99. It's such a bummer that we have to end this video on such a negative note, but the last product that I received at my Moondust Galaxy Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is a pair of false eyelashes, and I just mentioned how I just like these, and I received these quite a bit in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, so again, another product that I will be not using in the tutorial. These are the false lashes, dauntless lashes, triple threat false eyelashes by the brand LA Splash Cosmetics. They look like really fun, dramatic lashes if this is your kind of thing, but again, I just have a difficult time applying them and they're just not my thing. So that's a bummer. The LA Splash Dauntless Lashes in the name Extra retail for $10. So as you can see, that is everything in my Moondust Galaxy Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Overall, I really like this box. Even though there were 2 products that I didn't love, the 3 products that I do love, I really love. The blue eyeshadow is going to be really easy to work with in this tutorial. And I cannot believe I received the balm product in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, and the highlight palette is gorgeous as well. Now, even though this individual Moondust Galaxy box by Sweet Sparkle is no longer available like this themes box, I will link all the products individually if you would like to recreate this Moondust Galaxy makeup tutorial with me. Like I said, I'll have all the products to everything that I talked about in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you thought of this themes box. Like I said, I really enjoyed it, and it should be a fun, unique tutorial to create. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Be sure to check out Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box in the links below, and subscribe if you're interested in receiving this box in your mailbox every month. I guess that's it, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!